Well, I am currently working on rebuilding the X4 motor, you guys know that. However, we did get some parts for the Warrior and Zippy, and I am now waiting for parts for the X4. So we're going to flop back and forth here probably over the next several videos. Today, we're going to work on Zippy. I got a new stator. If you remember the last video, we didn't have any spark in Zippy. Just all of a sudden we had spark enough to pull it up and park it. And then as I replaced this crankcase cover, we lost our spark. So I went ahead and got a brand new stator. She's already installed, ready to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump right in this here. Go ahead and throw that on, fill it up with oil, see if we got some spark. I didn't have any oil in this guy yet, but before I fill it, she'll be coated in oil enough that we can crank her and see if we now have spark. Let's hope we do. Nothing. Oh, shoot. We still don't have spark. Eureka! I got spark! Woo! So, after pretty much completely going through every wire in this thing, top to bottom, with my multimeter, checking resistance and stuff, still didn't have spark. So finally, I got to thinking, the only thing I didn't check was the CDI. So I pulled it out, looked in the climber manual. The climber manual does not tell you how to check this. It pretty much says take it to a dealer so they can do a replace and check, meaning they take a one they know works and put it in to see if it works. And I thought, dummy, I have another one of these, either the original one from Zippy or from the new frame, and I can't remember which is which. This might have been from the new frame. But regardless, I managed, believe it or not, in that mess out there that is Hillbilly Garage 1.0, to find the other CDI box. I plugged it in, got my spark plug here. I don't know if you guys will be able to see or not. I got Sparky! We got Sparky McSparkles! So, I'm gonna put oil in her, put a little gas in her. We're gonna see if she's gonna start. Alright guys, hopefully we have enough battery. Our gas should still be good. All right. There she is. She lives. Oh, she sounds good. Awesome! So, now it's time for some more upkeep. Let's say we pull the wheels. We're gonna throw some new brake pads on this puppy all around. We still gotta get this reverse brake lever freed up because it is stuck. And we're gonna slap some new rubber on these rims too. All right, I have a feeling it is going to be quite the treat getting this guy off. You guys can see how absolutely tight it is in there. Oh boy, and I tried getting this pin out the other day to pop this off and the pin just broke, so I've just been working at breaking the rest of that pin off so I can get this washer off and hopefully, possibly, maybe be able to get this slid off of there. Alright, this is being an absolute bugger to get off. So I got a little gear puller here, held in place with a quick clamp. We'll see if we can't get this guy to pop off. I don't need a cheater bar on this. Nope, she's wanting to pop. Just the problem I have is that backside's rounded. I think I'm actually bending my quick clamp. I don't think this guy moved at all, did it, for it? Here we go. Ooh, it's got some tension to it. Alright, I got this loosened to where I can move it by hand. I got my bigger pulley on there. I don't know if it'll hold a better bite or not, but we're going to give her a try. Oh yeah, she's coming! Stay on, little puller. Stay fast, little puller. Hold fast, little puller. We are getting it. It's getting easy. I'm in the home stretch. Wowzers. Woo-wee! We got it. Finally. Now, I am going to take my grinder and shave a bit off of that guy. Well guys, I didn't have to take the grinder to this. This guy in here is pretty gummed up, so I just took this wire brush and my drill, cleaned her out a bit, and now she moves super free. Look at that swing. Swing and swing and swing and swing and swing and swing. So, we're good. To be on the safe side, we're going to add a little grease to her as well, so that we don't have any problems like this again. Grease her up good. Slip her back on. Yeah, that's beautiful. Let's get my spring in. Oh, come on. Look at that. That is thing of beauty. Of course, it'll be held down by this guy so it won't go up any farther than that. That is beauteous. These bolts back in to move on to replacing our drum brake shoes.